Hello. It's been a while. Recently we've had a storm blow through, and it's a pretty bad one. It apparently feels like negative 30 degrees outside. So I'm a dumb ass, and I say we go out into it and we record a documentary about it because we haven't had a storm like this in our lifetime. So I'm also gonna be using this microphone so you can hear me better because it's gonna be pretty weather out there.
You think if I whip my out, it'll freeze off?
What?
How do you think it felt?
Well, I think it felt like
Okay, so we're about to head out there. It's looking pretty bad. We're gonna get our first reaction, and then we're just gonna see what happens. All right, come on. Jesus.
How do you think it felt?
Not too bad.
Okay, so we're outside. Looking pretty bad over there. Let's head on over.
As a cameraman, how well do you think you did?
Well, my personal opinion, I think I did pretty good.
All right, so right now we're safe from all the blizzardness out there up until we actually go out there. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, come on. My pants.
What would you say is the worst part of it?
Well, in my opinion, I would say the boogers running down my face.
Alright, as you can see, it's very, very windy. You cannot see a goddamn thing over there.
What would you say was the worst part?
Well, there are a lot of worse parts, per se. One being the cold, of course. Two being the snow and hitting my face because my face was frozen half the time.
My eyes are also very cold. You got a little storm blowing up over there.
Three, and worst of all, my left nut no longer works.
I want to head over there, but a part of me thinks that we really shouldn't. Let's do it.
How do you think Cash did as a cameraman?
I think he did okay. I mean, he fell like 3 times.
You go, come on, go.
So earlier in the video, that fall, was it fake or real? And describe it.
Oh no, that was 100% real. The 100% real. That fall was purely because of the wind force.
Still recording? Gotta get a good shot here, huh? You look hot. Where are you going?
Why did you flee to the woods?
Well, at the time, that's when my left nut really started to take a beating.